Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you're looking for a cute gift idea or you have a scrap piece you don't know what to do with, I think this tutorial is for you. So I'm just using this facing to just trace out the love shape. I'm using this plate to work on the curve. I can actually use my hand to create this C, but for those that don't want to bother about that, so this is a good idea to create the love shape. So next I used this shape to cut out on the fabric. I just added half an inch in the cutting just to make it a bit bigger. So next I'm just going to measure round, or let's say love round, this love shape to know how much ruffle I need to put there. So for the calculation of the ruffle, I do 2.5 inch in width, and then in length I just did double of what I got in the measurements, so that after running the stitch I can create a ruffle that will go around it. So this is the ruffle after, of course, joining the running stitch. So next I'm going to rule where I'm going to stop stitch from left to right and from right to left. So the lines are ruled. Next is just to stop stitch everywhere there is line to give it this puffy design. So this is it. Next I'm going to attach the ruffle to both sides of the heart shape and then sew round. And this is it after sewing and pressing. So this part is ready, and next this I'm going to attach the side. So for the side I did the same stop stitching to give this puffy look, and then I'm going to attach it to both sides. The way I measure that side is just getting where I want it to stop and then measuring it to the other end. That's how I got this length that I'm using, because I didn't want it to go round. So this is it after joining the first heart shape. I'm going to join the second one now. So it's ready. Now I'm just going to work on the landing. So I used the same love shape. I cut another set and then attached this I don't know what this is called, but it's what is usually used to close the bag. So I'm just going to attach it like this. So this is how it looks like after attaching the landing. And if you know what this lock is actually called, leave me a comment down below. I'd like to know. And then the next thing is just to clean up all the raw edges by just using bias to go around it. So this is the easiest way to make the inside very presentable. Now the bag is 90% ready. The next thing to do is just put a strap to this bag. So I used another scrap piece to create the strap and then attach it to the bag itself. So this is it after attaching the strap. This can also be left just like this. It's already cute, but I just decided to add a bow shape with this ribbon. just to give it extra cuteness. This is actually also a perfect gift idea. Like if you have somebody that you really want to, make effort to make handmade stuff for, this is a good idea to gift a girlfriend or a friend. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Bye for now.